Hello students, today we are going to study the directive influence of halogen. We have earlier studied the directive influence of the two type of group. First is ortho-para directing group, in which the electron density is increases in the benzene ring. Because of that, these group initiate the reaction towards electrophilic substitution reaction. It means they activate the benzene ring towards electrophile attack. Because of that, the rate of electrophilic substitution reaction in the presence of these ortho-para directing group increases. Whereas the second type of group which we have studies is meta-directing group. In the presence of meta-directing group, they are electron withdrawing group. Because of that, the electron density in the benzene ring decreases mainly at ortho and para position in comparison to meta. So in the presence of these meta-directing group which are behaving as electron withdrawing group, so the electron density in the benzene ring decreases, due to which the rate of electrophilic substitution reaction in the presence of these group decreases, due to which they are meta-directing and deactivating group, because they deactivate the benzene ring towards the electrophilic substitution reaction. There is also third category of the group which is ortho-para directing, but it is deactivating also. It means these group when present in the benzene ring, they are ortho-para directing. It means they are increasing the electron density at ortho and para position, but still they are little bit deactivating. Why they are deactivating? It is because of the minus I effect. So these groups are halogen groups. So what is happening in this case? Because we know that halogens are highly electronegative, so because of that they are showing a minus I effect. We know that what is minus I effect? It is attraction of the sigma electron of alkyl or phenyl system towards the electronegative atom. That is known as minus I effect. So let's see why these groups are ortho-para directing but deactivating also. In the case of halogen, so this is chlorobenzene. So in this case, when halogen atom is attached to the benzene ring, it is also increasing the electron density in benzene ring at ortho and para position, but it is also deactivating the benzene ring towards electrophilic substitution reaction. So let's see how it is ortho-para directing and deactivating also. We know that in the case of halogen, halogens are showing plus R effect also, and they are showing minus I effect. So what is happening? What do you mean by plus R effect? It means halogen atoms are donating their lone pair of electrons. They are moving their lone pair of electron towards benzene ring. Because of that, the resonance is taking place, and this resonance is plus R effect, because in this the substituent is donating its lone pair of electron towards the benzene ring. So how it is showing plus R effect? How resonance is taking place in the case of these halogen atom? So in the case of halogen, we know that in halogen atoms there are 3 lone pairs. So because we know that ortho-para directing, what is the condition of ortho-para directing? Either there is lone pair of electron is present in the atom which is directly attached to the benzene ring. So this lone pair will be involved in the resonance, by which this will show plus R effect. Or in the case of methyl group, there is hyperconjugation is taking place, that is no bond resonance. So by the help of hyperconjugation, methyl groups are showing plus R effect. That is ortho-para directing group. So what is happening in this case? This halogen will donate its lone pair of electron towards the benzene ring. Because of that, this pi bond of the benzene ring will be in conjugation with the lone pair, due to which this pi electron come to this position. So in this position, in ortho position, there will be negative charge. So what is happening further? Second canonical structure will be formed. So in which the double bond will be formed between the chlorine and the carbon of the benzene ring, and in ortho position there will be negative charge, and these two double bonds are remain intact. So what is happening? One lone pair of the chlorine is involved in resonance. Because of that, there will be positive charges coming on the chlorine and two lone pairs are left. Further, what is happening? Third canonical structure. This negative charge will further move to this position to form pi bond, and this pi bond will move to form negative charge at para position. So in para position there will be negative charge, and at this position there will be pi bond formation. Further, next canonical structure. So what is happening? This negative charge will be shifting to this position, and this pi bond will shift to this carbon to form negative charge, and this negative charge will form pi bond at this position. So next canonical structure. This negative charge will be shifted to this position, and this pi bond of the carbon and chlorine will again move towards the chlorine. So there will be formation of next canonical structure. So in this case, the pi bond position will be coming to this because this negative charge is coming to this position. So these are the 5 canonical structure which are formed. So as you can see in these canonical structure, this is the first canonical structure, second, third, fourth, fifth. From second to fourth condition, you can see that in ortho position there is a negative charge is coming, and at negative charge is also coming at para position. So it means in the presence of halogen atom, the electron density is increasing at ortho and para position. Because of that, these halogen atoms are referred as ortho-para directing group. So next question arises, when they are ortho-para directing, when they are increasing electron density in the benzene ring, then why they are deactivating? Why they are decreasing the rate of reaction towards electrophilic substitution reaction? So why electron density in benzene ring is still decreasing? It is because of the minus I effect of halogen atom. So in the case of inductive effect, halogen atoms are having very powerful minus I effect. It means their ability to attract the sigma electron towards itself is very high. So what is happening? They are attracting the sigma electrons of the benzene ring towards themselves, due to which because of the attraction of the sigma electrons of benzene ring towards this chlorine atom, because of that the electron density in benzene ring is decreasing, is not that much increased as increased in the case of ortho-para directing and activating groups. Whereas in this case because of the minus I effect, they are a little bit deactivating groups. It means whether the electron density in ortho and para position is increased by plus R effect, but because of the minus I effect, because of the shift of sigma electron of the benzene ring towards the halogen atom, somewhat the electron density in the benzene ring decreases, is not that much high as it is high in the case of ortho-para directing and activating groups. So because of that, these groups are ortho-para directing and deactivating groups. So because of the deactivating effect, these group decrease the rate of substitution, that is electrophilic substitution reaction towards the benzene ring.